Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you a question that I was asked in the community. In the last video, I talked about 9 things I can hide on a SharePoint site. And the question was, if how can I do with removing two navigations? So you see, this is a communication site, which is also a hub site. So the hub site has also the navigation here. And we also have the site navigation, which has the title and the navigation. So assuming we want to hide both the navigation and the title and remain only with this, so let's see how we do it. We go to the gear icon, and first we will go to change the look. In change the look, we will go to the header, and in the header, we will scroll down and hide the site title. This site title uh, was removed. Now we'll go to change the look, and we will go to the navigation, and we will disable now also the navigation of the site. What remains is this logo, but that's something we cannot change. And now we have only this top navigation. As I mentioned, you see the demo hub site is the name. If we want to hide that as well, we can go to the hub site section, and here we can uh, disable or hide this navigation, this name. So if we do this, you see it goes away, and what we will have is only this mega menu. Also sites that are associated with this will see this, but on each site you will need to hide this local navigation. So this is the short answer, how to hide one of the navigations. The reason is sometimes it's confusing, and yeah, this is the best way to do it. So thanks, and see you in the next episode. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.